Limited progress has been made since a 1,350-mile-long rail network stretching across Gulf Cooperation Council countries was announced more than 15 years ago. Repeatedly delayed, the megaproject is now expected to be partially completed in 2023, linking Saudi Arabia to the United Arab Emirates and Oman, Saudi newspaper Al-Jazirah reported. In this video, we are going to discuss leaked, shocking news about GCC railway project status. The video is going to be amazing, so make sure you stick to the end. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Although the report specified Bahrain and Kuwait would be added to the network 2 years later, Qatar, part of the original proposal, is not mentioned. The GCC rail strategy involves the construction of a 2,000 kilometers network estimated at $200 billion, and when completed, it will support the development of the region and will answer mobility needs while tackling climate and other crises. In 2021, the government of Saudi Arabia announced its commitment to build new railway lines, which will increase the country's connectivity and will play an important role in rail integration in the GCC region. The authorities plan to invest $150 billion to develop the country's transport system. We meet challenges in the energy market, and goods and people need sustainable transport. The pandemic affected the entire system, including the supply chain, and rail has the ability to tackle all these problems and the future crisis. That's why we need the GCC Rail Authority, which will take the responsibility to deliver fast, rapid, and safe transport services, the GCC Secretary General said. Currently, the railway strategy is under approval, and we intend to launch new projects to promote rail transport and rail connectivity in the GCC. Ruma Al-Ruma, the president of the Saudi Transport General Authority, said at the Middle East Rail. The passenger train speeds up to 200 kilometers per hour and travels the distance between Suhar and Abu Dhabi in 100 minutes and 47 minutes between Suhar and Al Ain, while the speed of freight trains will have a maximum speed of 120 kilometers per hour. The trains will have a capacity to ferry 12,000 passengers per day and 250,000 containers at the start of the line's operation. Business figures in the Gulf have noted that the shorter travel times could help bolster the tourism and entertainment sector, an area that a number of Gulf countries are looking to grow in line with wider efforts to diversify their economies. For example, as part of Vision 2030, Saudi Arabia hopes to increase tourism's GDP contribution to more than 10% and aims to attract 100 million visitors by the end of the decade. Furthermore, the construction of a GCC-wide railway bodes well for regional collaboration and would support plans for greater economic alignment within the bloc. Indeed, the GCC has sought to accelerate the establishment of a joint customs union and common market, ahead of the ultimate goal of establishing economic unity within the region. The UAE government unveiled its new $13 billion railway program in December 2021, which expects to generate $55 billion in economic prospects through the creation of an integrated railway system. Global data estimates that investment in rail infrastructure in the UAE is set to grow each year until 2026, and at a faster rate than other types of infrastructure. By 2026, the UAE will be spending more than $5 billion annually on rail infrastructure out of a total construction budget of $100 billion. By easing freight movements, the GCC railway would strengthen alternative hubs from where imported commodities and hydrocarbon shipments could enter or exit the region, while avoiding security risks faced by tankers traveling through the Strait of Hormuz. Iran regularly threatens to close the strategic choke point that serves as a transit for most crude exported by GCC countries. In this context, ports located out of the Hormuz corridor, such as Oman's Dung or terminals on the Red Sea coasts, could emerge as cost-effective gateways. In 2019, the country launched the Doha Metro, a 3-line, 37-station rapid transit system connecting the capital with its suburbs.